Ang destiny, kapag mailap, gawan mo ng paraan.
Ito na nakikita ko solusyon. Maghanap ka ng lalaki at maghanap ka ng maging kunwaring asawa mo.
At kapag ang destiny na ang lumapit, huwag ka ng choosy. Sunggaban mo na.
Meet your husband, Jello. Husband?
Kapag mukhang naka-jackpot ka, pa-burger ka naman.
You are the most beautiful woman in the world.
I love you, Jello.
Hello.
Pero kapag too good to be true na,
This is the down payment for your asset.
Thank you.
Nice to introduce with you.
sorry. Ano ka, siniswerte?
Tignan mo. Kasi, ang ganda niya, di ba? She's so pretty. And look at that smile. She's so happy, no? That's a happy smile.
Daddy, can you please find out if their manager is around? Hello?
Hello, Apo.
Lolo, yes?
Oh, kumusta ka na? How was your honeymoon?
Honeymoon? Tapos na po.
Tapos na? Bakit? Overnight lang ba honeymoon mo? Akala ko, you went to South Korea.
Oh, well, I just arrived po. Because I have to sign some papers and checks. Pero I will see him later.
By the way, are you expecting?
Expecting? Expecting what?
Magkakaroon na ba ako ng apo sa tuhod?
Oh, Lolo, I just got married. I'll get to that when the time comes.
Okay, sige. Pero sana, within this month, honeymoon period pa naman eh.
What? What, Lolo? Choppy. Lolo, I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye.
Si Lolo ba yun? Bakit ako nakag...
He wants apple.
Ako! Yun lang pala eh. Tawagan ko na si Jello.
No!
Anak, anong balita dun sa pinag-applyan mo ng trabaho?
Sila na nga lang daw tatawag. Tagal na tumawag eh.
Tiisan mo yan. Uy, talk natin yun ah.
O nga no?
Kuya Jello! Kuya Jello!
Nay!
Naku anak, natubos mo na pala.
Nay naman, ako pa.
Galing ni Kuya Jello ah.
At saan ka na naman kumuha ng pera pagtubos na?
Well, abilidad yan, Nay. Karisma ng konti. Yan ang talaga. Ano mo nangyari ah?
Batag to.
Thank you, nagugutom na ako, Nay.
Kain tayo.
Kumain na tayo.
When we kiss, I'm taken away to a place of pure bliss. I want us to get lost in our passion. Jello! My noodles. You're my beautiful surprise. The last thing I expected was to find a woman like you. Yes, I love you. I love you again. Promise to love you with all my heart the best way I can. Oh, Cons, you're early, huh? I left the door open. Pasok ka na. Cons?
Hello, Apo. Surprise!
Lolo Jean! Lolo Jean! How are you? I'm good. Hi, Frida. What are you doing here? Aren't you supposed to be in Kuala Lumpur?
parito ako para makilala ko kaagad yung asawa mo. Oh, nandito ba siya?
Hoy, patalo ka.
Hindi ako nadalaw, ha? Nagbabayad ako ng utang.
Naman! Marunong lang ba ng bahay? Nag-uutang eh.
Malamang. Utang yan, eh. Oh. Ayos?
Eh, kulang to eh.
Ba't magiging kulang yan, Yeye? 1,800 plus 1,600 plus 1,600, 5,000. Sakto.
Ay, yung interest.
Ba't magkakaroon ng interest?
Six mo kayong utang sa akin to. Kung sa bangko ko tumilagay, di sana kumita pa ako.
Eh bakit? Nagbabangko ka ba? Magkano?
3,000.
Tinan mo to, parang wala tayong pinagsamahan, ha?
Eh, di ba break na tayo?
Oo nga. Break tayo pag gusto mo. Pero pag nasiselos ka, tayo pa rin.
Lolo, this is our new bestseller. It's called The Genie Chair, named after you, of course.
Thank you.
It is catered for the not so young. But we received a lot of orders after it was featured into several home blogs. And it's already sold out. And we're producing more in a different color.
Very impressive.
Take a look.
Alam mo, mana ka talaga sa akin, Lily.
But what I want to know is, where's Jello? Akala ko ngayon natin makikilala yung husband mo. Hello.
Hi, Jello. How are you, Cupcake?
Cupcake. Ba't ka nang patawag? Sweet mo, ah.
Well, can a wife be sweet to her husband? I need to see you now. Please?
Hindi ko sigurado mamaya kasi magtatrabaho pa kami ni Kuya.
Okay, what about later after work? Saying no is not an option.
Hindi, magtatrabaho nga kami ni Kuya buong araw, malamang bagsak na ako mamaya. Yung project natin, kumusta? Ano, effective?
Oh, yes. It worked really, really well. That's why we're having dinner tonight.
Libre mo.
Yeah, sure. If you want, I'll bring it over to your place.
Sige, basta libre mo, ha?
Thank you, honey. Thank you, Cupcake. I love you.
Sige na, okay mo na. Love you ko dyan. Sige na. Okay.
Okay, I'll see you later. Bye. Okay, Lolo, it's settled. We're gonna have dinner with Jello tonight. And finally, you're gonna meet your grandson-in-law.
That's great. I'm sure we're going to have fun time tonight.
That's good.
Di ba yung kausap mo?
Pakialam mo ba? Chicks yun.
Ako, Jello. Gusto nang ihimasok pero ingat-ingat ka mamaya mapasubo ka.
Oo na, sige na. Ako nang bahala dyan. Huwag ka nang mangialam.
We have cons. Sorry, prepare the photos. You'll be my advance party to Jello's. Make sure the place is ready. Copy. Study. Cancel everything in my calendar. Reschedule everything.
Business, madam?
Well, if business is securing a husband, then yes.
Right away, ma'am.
Tao po, magandang gabi po.
Ano yan, ha?
Bakit?
Baka miss na mali kayo ng address. Wala na ba kami ino-order na pagkain, ah?
Ay, hindi niyo po ito babayaran. Para po ito kay Jello Santos. Ito siya nakatira, right?
Jello. Depende. Bakit?
Jello Santos, yung magulo yung buhok na maraming tattoo. Siya yan, di ba?
Bakit? May utang ba kami sa inyo? Ginauwi yun! Ginabangan!
Ay, hindi. Wala naman. Kailan siya uwi? Ay, padala po kasi ito para sa kanila.
Cons?
Ha?
Uy, ginagawa mo dito?
Pinadala ko ni Lily. May dinner kayo, di ba?
Bukas pa yun.
Ngayong gabi yun. Nag-usap kaya kayo kayo na, di ba?
Hindi.
Nag-confirm ko.
Hindi, bukas pa yun. Ano to? May catering.
Kasi nga, di ba? Jello! Cupcake!
Lily, what's this?
Hi!
this?
We talked about it, diba? You're gonna have dinner with Lolo and I. So, there's nothing wrong with having dinner. So, sige na, introduce us na.
Kala ko bukas pa.
You must be Jello. Ang sinertong lalaking nakabinwit ng puso ng aking paboritong apo. Just call me Lola Jean.
Jello, ano nangyari dito? Bakit andito si attorney? May kaso ka ba, anak?
Congressman yan.
Congressman ba yan? Mayaman!
Congressman, oh.
Nay, Patat, Kuya Fidel. Si Lily.
His wife.
Don't go away. Magbabalik ang Love